Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tahir Ali and I am working with Anglo Corporation as Assistant Manager Procurement, IT and IoT. So today we are here at KSBL with a platform of UXL, and here we are learning about Power BI dashboarding reporting. And through this reporting, currently what we are achieving and we are focusing to achieve that now we are more particularly in a position to take better decision by making better dashboards through our data, which is very difficult when you are working normally on Excel. So it's a good option and opportunity to learn dashboard reporting, through which we can make better decision in future. Thank you.